issued a severe weather bulletin for southern Ontario at 2:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, August 21st, 2011. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for City of Toronto, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 2:10 p.m. Sunday, August 21st for today and Monday.